How to change Facebook password if forgotten. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to change your Facebook password, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner and then select on this gear icon over here. Here, tap on See More in Account Center. As you do that, scroll down and tap on Passwords and Security. So here you can see the option of change password. So tap on it and then select on your profile. Now here as you can see it definitely asks you to add your current password, but since we have forgotten our password, we're going to select on this option of forgot your password. So tap on it. As you do that, it will send a code to you via the contact option that you have associated on Facebook by your email or your Facebook notification. So you just have to select on particular option over here and then tap on continue. Then it will send a link and then you'll be able to change your password even if you have forgotten it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.